much more than Hollywood and Venice Beach. Today, it's all about the Four Rings. Welcome, welcome and 欢迎 to the exclusive world premiere of the all-new Audi e-tron Sportback. Today, we're coming to you from Los Angeles, where Audi is about to unveil their second fully electric car in just a few minutes. We're here on Hollywood Boulevard, home to the stars, and just a few steps away, today, a new star will be born, the new Audi e-tron Sportback. But before we take a look at the newest member of the e-tron family, let's take a look at how it all started and how electric has gone Audi. That's right, today's all about electric and all about Sportback. We have now made it backstage where they're about to unveil the Audi e-tron Sportback any minute. Are you ready to take a look under the cover? Not just yet. First, let's have a quick chat with Daniel Weisland, president of Audi of America. Hi, Daniel.
Hi, Angela.
It's a big day. How excited are you?
Oh, I'm very excited. It's a special moment for me. About a year ago, we unveiled the first fully electric Audi, the Audi e-tron, just a few miles away from here. And since we have electrified thousands of people around the globe, and today, the next step, the Audi e-tron Sportback.
What can we expect from the car?
It's going to be a true Audi. It combines a spacious SUV with the elegance of a sports coupe, fully equipped with latest Audi technologies, and 100% electric.
Thank you so much. I can feel the energy, can't you? They're getting ready any moment. Oh, I think I see the lights. All right, it's time. Enjoy the show. What a show and an exciting car. This is the second fully electric car from Audi. Sporty, elegant, and efficient. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And for those of you in China, 你觉得这个车怎么样? And now we have something even more special for you, an exclusive sneak peek. A few days ago, Mark Lichta showed us his highlights of the car. Mark, your vision has come to life.
Hello to Los Angeles. That's right. The Audi e-tron Sportback is all about...
So cool. Thank you, Mark. And I'm sure you'll want to check out the Digital Matrix Life for yourself with its coming home and leaving home projection. But this car has more features to offer. For more information, go to Audi Media TV to find out all the latest. And while an important day for Audi has come to an end, this is really just the beginning. Audi has more electric cars in store for you, 30 by the year 2025. Now we leave you with the first driving shots of the new Audi e-tron Sportback, but make sure you stay tuned for the very end where we have a special surprise for you. As we said before, the Audi e-tron story continues. Right now, we have an exclusive for you. Get ready for some action. For now, goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. 再见. See you next time.